So the athletic training program here at Youngstown State University provides our students the opportunity to learn about multiple facets of healthcare. Our students are able to learn about the prevention of injuries, how to evaluate injuries, how to look and rehab and do therapeutic interventions for these injuries. Our students on any given day are working with a multitude of healthcare professionals. Opportunities for them to learn in the hospitals in this area, including Southwoods, Akron Children's, Mercy, but also with Cleveland Clinic and UPMC. They get the opportunity to go and observe surgeries, but they also are learning with our EMS healthcare professionals, so the emergency medical professionals, where they're learning their IV skills, but they're also learning how to handle an emergency. Our students are getting hands-on experiences. When I travel and go to conferences, people are like, wow, you all do a lot. And that's something that we really are proud of. The student to faculty ratio, our students get a lot of attention in the classroom, making sure that they're learning, but they have the opportunity to potentially work on skills or become better clinicians because of the opportunities in the classroom and in the clinicals. But we actually give them the opportunities so they can succeed. I can proudly say if you want a quality education at a very affordable price, faculty members and preceptors and clinicians who are dedicated to your education, then you found the right place, because YSU is for you.